9 best online brokers for free stock trading in 2021. When it comes to investing in the stock market on a budget, one of the first steps is deciding which commission-free online broker to go with. While there are so many online brokers offering commission-free stock trading, for the average investor, it can be overwhelming to determine which is the best online broker to use. In this episode, we'll look into the top 9 commission-free platforms available on the market in 2021, comparing their brokerage fees, hidden costs, and other offerings to help you choose the best one for yourself. Plus, one trivia question about the stock exchange. Today's trivia question is, which platform was the first online brokerage to launch? We've also included the timestamps in the description below if you want to revisit any particular section of the video. Before we go too far, let's define what is a stockbroker. Stockbrokers are essentially middlemen. Stocks are bought and sold through stock markets, such as the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq, and the average person needs a stockbroker to execute a trade on their behalf. Stockbrokers are well versed in the markets and can offer advice on the best times to buy and sell. It's their job to find clients the best prices possible. In exchange for executing the trade and offering advice, a stockbroker gets a commission in the form of a flat fee or percentage of the value of the transaction. Now you know what a stockbroker is, let's look at the 9 best online brokers offering commission-free trades. 1. M1 Finance. M1 Finance was launched in 2015. While M1 Finance doesn't have as many investment options as some larger firms, all investment options do not charge commissions to trade. The firm allows you to set up a custom investment portfolio, then automate your trading activity. You can invest in stocks and ETFs. M1 Finance even allows you to purchase fractional shares, which can be great if you're just getting started and don't have a lot of money to invest. Your first deposit will be invested based on the portfolio percentages you set up. Future investments will be used to make purchases to bring your total balances back in line with that portfolio. M1 Finance doesn't charge any trading commissions or management fees, but underlying investments may charge fees. If you're still unsure how to start investing with M1 Finance, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our future episode covering that topic in detail. 2. Robinhood. Robinhood was founded in 2013 and took the investment world by storm when it announced it would offer commission-free trades on its platform. You can invest with as little as $1 in thousands of stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies commission-free. While Robinhood is well known for starting the commission-free trade movement, they also want you to learn about investing as well. Their website has an in-depth learn section to help you learn about investing basics, the market, and trading lingo. These resources can help you figure out how to get started in investing. They offer tools to help you manage your portfolio too. While Robinhood's main service is free, you can upgrade to Robinhood Gold starting at $5 per month. This gives you the ability to trade on margin, make larger instant deposits, and the ability to access professional research reports. This is more than the average investor likely needs, but it's nice to have as an option if you like to take advantage of these services. 3. TD Ameritrade. Ameritrade was founded in 1975 and has been performing well since inception. Currently, TD Ameritrade has reached a definitive agreement to be acquired by Charles Schwab. TD Ameritrade charges $0 per trade on most U-exchange-listed stocks and ETFs. There is a $0.65 fee per contract for option trades. It offers excellent trading tools through its desktop-based Thinkorswim trading platform. TD Ameritrade also finished first for numerous other categories, including beginners, trading platforms and tools, customer service, and education, among others. That's not all. TD Ameritrade also offers a robust trading platform, free research, and good customer support to back up their service. 4. Acorns. Acorns is an app and was founded in 2012. You invest in commission-free ETFs when you invest with Acorns. The Acorns app gives you a unique way to invest that most other trading platforms don't allow. Acorns allows you to start investing through micro-investing. Essentially, Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. Then, they take that change and invest it when it adds up to at least $5 from your linked account. Acorns does charge a monthly fee that ranges from $1 to $3 depending on the services you want access to. 5. Fidelity. Fidelity continues to evolve as a major force in the online brokerage space. Fidelity joined in the rush to cut equity and base options commissions to zero in October 2019, but remains devoted to offering top-quality research and education offerings to its clients. The firm also makes it easy for clients to earn interest by sweeping uninvested cash into a money market fund. Fidelity charges no commissions on stocks, ETFs, or options, and offers more than 3,500 mutual funds with no commission. Plus, there is no minimum opening deposit required. Fidelity is designed to serve the vast majority of individual investors. For the average buy and hold investor, Fidelity's well-rounded platform offers a wide selection of tools, research, and resources coupled with easy order entry. However, Fidelity does not currently offer commodities or futures options. 6. Charles Schwab. For investors seeking access to $0 stock and ETF trades alongside excellent research tools for performing market analysis, Charles Schwab will not disappoint. Charles Schwab is also our #1 pick for IRA accounts and broader retirement investing. As a full-service brokerage, Schwab has a fantastic, diverse offering of investments that will satisfy any investor. Alongside retirement, Schwab's shining star is its offering of stock market research. Combined with an easy-to-use website, Schwab is also a winner for beginners. Schwab trading platforms and tools are robust and will satisfy most traders, making it a respectable choice for day trading and options trading. That said, Schwab's mobile trading app lacks real-time streaming quotes. 7. Sofi Invest. Sofi Invest was founded in 2011. This platform is best for beginner investors who are looking for a simple way to get started with investing. Sofi has no minimum amount to open an account, so even if you don't have very much to invest, you can still get started. Sofi Invest is also a great option if you already have other Sofi accounts. This is because Sofi makes it very easy to move money between Sofi Money and Sofi Invest accounts. If you're a more advanced investor, Sofi may not be a great choice, since Sofi does not offer stop-loss orders or tax loss harvesting. But if you're simply looking to get started with investing, Sofi has all you need, with complimentary access to certified financial planners if you have questions. 8. WeBull. WeBull was founded in 2016 and is another commission-free trading platform that offers stocks, ETFs, and options. They focus on offering their customers better information, tools, and services at lower costs with no deposit minimums. While WeBull has an app, they also offer free access to their desktop WeBull software. It's an advanced and customizable platform for those that prefer to monitor and trade on a desktop rather than a device. WeBull offers full extended hours trading and 24/7 online help. These investing tools may make WeBull a better option for advanced investors. They even offer margin accounts and short selling if you qualify and are prepared to take on the risk of these strategies. 9. E-Trade. The last but not the least commission-free online broker is E-Trade. Founded in 1982 as one of the first online brokerages in the United States, E-Trade understands what investors need to succeed in the market. E-Trade highlights include $0 trades, 2 excellent mobile apps, and the Power E-Trade platform, which is great for options trading. E-Trade offers 3 computer-based platforms that appeal to a range of investing styles and interests. The standard E-Trade website and app have been redesigned for investors who are just getting started. Both the website and app have 2-level menus with easy access to numerous screening tools, portfolio analysis, and education offerings. There is also a demo account to learn stock trading. Understanding brokerage fees and costs. As you figure out where and how to invest, it's easy to overlook one thing: investment and brokerage account fees. That's a problem because fees can eat into your investment returns. So, it's important to know what you're paying for. Here are types of brokerage fees and costs you should be aware of. Brokerage fee. A brokerage fee is a fee charged by the broker that holds your investment account. Trade commission. Also called a stock trading fee, this is a brokerage fee that is charged when you buy or sell stocks. Mutual fund transaction fee. Another brokerage fee, this time charged when you buy and or sell some mutual funds. Expense ratio. an annual fee charged by mutual funds, index funds, and exchange-traded funds as a percentage of your investment in the fund. Management or advisory fee. Typically a percentage of assets under management paid by an investor to a financial advisor or robo-advisor. The fact that you can now trade stocks without paying commissions removes one of the barriers to stock trading for those without a ton of money to invest. So, which broker should you choose? Before choosing any broker, ask yourself these questions. How many trades do you place per month on average? What is your typical order size? Do you buy and sell options? Do you frequently trade on margin? Do you trade ETFs or mutual funds? These are all relevant and useful questions to ask yourself. So, back to today's trivia question. Which platform was the first online brokerage to launch? In 1995, E-Trade derived over 80% of its revenues from trading commissions and became the first online brokerage firm. That's it for this episode. Please give us your feedback in the comment section below. To watch more episodes on financial topics like this, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to support us even more, buy us a coffee from the link in the description. Good luck, and see you in the next episode.